Greetings, everyone. I had planned to talk about asynchronous Wednesdays in class on Tuesday, but thanks to that snow day we're having right now, I wasn't able to discuss it with you all. So I wanted to shoot this brief video just to let you know what the expectations are for asynchronous Wednesday. For AP CSP during the next 2 weeks, it's going to be work time for you to work on your project, but I'm also going to hold you accountable for attendance by doing two things. Um, the first thing um, the first thing is if you are virtual, which is half the class, remember 13 of you are virtual, 13 of you are in person. I would love to see all the virtual students even with your cameras on, at 8:45. We're going to have a meeting, virtual students, to just catch up and to connect. I know being a fellow virtual person, how challenging it is to be virtual, and I just want to have an opportunity to talk and share and just see your worlds and get to understand your virtual story a little better. So I will see your group at 8:45. Fortunately for you, it can't go much past 9 o'clock, even if we're having a great discussion, because I do have to get to my second hour class at 9:10, and I obviously want to be a little early for that. So we're not going to go that long. I can't go that long because I have another section I want to visit with. I do have an assignment for everyone, whether you're virtual or not, that I'm going to ask you to do. And that is work on your AP CSP Create Performance Check task. And I'm going to ask you to give me a detailed update on that app by completing this Google form. It's in Google Classroom and I've activated it early. Typically, I'm not going to activate the assignment for Asynchronous Wednesday until 3:15 on Tuesday. But given our snow day, and some of you might want to get to work on it early, and I love that. This is an ambitious, cool group of students. So I'm going to activate it as soon as I'm done shooting this video and posting this video on YouTube. I'm just going to ask you to tell me where you are in your app, and I'm curious if how you would define your app as being done, whether you have a function, the function with parameters list, and then just write up a summary of your app. I also want to know if you got 3A done and how many words are in your 3A. Remember the APCSP Assistant, which is inside your Google Drive, is a great resource for you to write up that 3A. There are three separate questions: function, purpose, and input and output. So there are three questions to write about, and the combination of those three makes up your answer for 3A. So I'm going to ask you to do all of that on your asynchronous Wednesday. Best of luck to you, and feel free to submit this form when you're done so I know you have been working. That's how we mark attendance. This needs to be done by 3:15 on Wednesday in order for me to mark you present. This form by 3:15 on Wednesday. That's again how we mark attendance on asynchronous Wednesdays. Thanks, everyone.